Hi, this is Sean Collins, 3M Technical Service Engineer. Today I'm here to talk a little bit about properly applying panel bonding adhesives. One of the big advantages to using panel bonding adhesives over welding is that you don't get the corrosion. So we have to make sure that we properly apply it to avoid those corrosion issues. One of the first things we need to do is make sure that when we use this adhesive that we cover all the bare metal. So for example, if I'm working on a flange here that I'm going to prepare and grind a bare metal, I need to make sure that I spread the adhesive out to cover all that bare metal before I put the panels together. A plastic body filler spreader works fine for that. An acid brush also works very well to spread the adhesive out and be sure to cover all the bare metal to avoid corrosion. The next thing we want to talk about is not scraping off the adhesive when we're applying it to a quarter panel. It's very common with a quarter panel, if you can envision this as the inner quarter panel and this as the outer panel, when we apply these two panels together, it's very easy to scrape the adhesive off in this wheel arch area. So we have to take care not to do that. The panels fit tightly together the way they hang over the top and slide together in the middle. So one of the things I recommend is using duckbill pliers and taking and bending down that edge just very slightly to give yourself some clearance for that adhesive so that it does not get all scraped off. So if we're properly applying, this is what the two panels would look like once they're put together. We can see we have plenty of squeeze out between the two panels, and we have complete coverage on these panels as well, where there's no openings for corrosion. The next thing we want to take care not to do is to grind the squeeze out from the adhesive off the inside edge. This inside edge here is very vulnerable to corrosion, and if we take a grinder and grind that dried squeeze out, we just expose bare metal on that inside edge. And there's very little chance that a painter is going to get paint onto that backside edge. So we need to clean this adhesive off between our clamps using an acid brush again or a paper towel, but we do not want to take a grinder to that edge and expose that to corrosion. Then lastly, and very importantly, between these panels there's usually an exposed cavity, so we want to make sure that we finish the repair with a cavity wax, such as our rust fighter in a bulk container or even the rust fighter in an aerosol. So it's just another layer of corrosion protection inside those panels so that in case something did get exposed or squeezed off during application, now we've got insurance that there's going to be good corrosion protection. For this and more information, you can see our website at 3mcollision.com.